Heat it up. Let's clean this up because we're going to use that. Okay, let's clean this up. We need a clean surface to work with this sugar because it can get very sticky, okay? So it's not going to be shiny anymore. So look, I'm still pulling it because once you heat it up in the microwave, it can be pretty shiny again, okay? So push this down, okay? Push this down, stretch it. The more you stretch the sugar, the more the sugar is going to get thick, okay? So as you can see, I'm stretching my sugar. Now I want my sugar to be wider, okay? And this is just regular granulated sugar that I boil, okay? You want to rub it. Once you rub it, it's basically shiny, okay? You have to work with it fast because this is basically pretty cold, okay? Okay. Okay. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this in the microwave and I'm gonna okay. That's a piece of sugar, okay? Let's do it again. Okay. Move that out of the way. Okay. This, I'm gonna widen the sugar again, and I'm gonna stretch my sugar, okay? Once it go down, that's when it start getting cold, right? But the marble is pretty cold. So once you put it down, the marble is basically like shot of the sugar. As you can see. All right. Look at that. So I'm gonna do the last flowers for that because we're gonna basically make a little art out of this sugar, okay? You can put whatever you want. You can put cornstarch. You can put whatever flour. Oh, it's up to you. All right, I'm drying this. You're not gonna see it on your end. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna let it sit there to get dry. Once it dry, then we're gonna heat this up, and then I'm gonna plate up these dessert, okay? Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna plate up this dessert right now because and get ready for it. Put these away. These are nice. Nice. Almost finished, right? Okay. Okay,